lads, it's Tanya. For the next several days I'll be staying on this houseboat on Rockaway Beach near JFK Airport right behind me, and I'm really excited to show you what this houseboat life is like. So this houseboat is a little different from the sailboat that I stayed on a couple months ago. You might remember from the video that's here or here. And this is actually a motorboat. It has a motor, doesn't have a sail, so it's pretty big and hefty. It's docked at a actual dock. It's not in the middle of the water, so I don't feel any waves at all actually. And it's huge compared to the sailboat I stayed on. It has 3 decks. Right now I'm on the middle deck, which has a front porch and a back porch, and then there's a deck above that where you can have your dinner. It has a dinner table and a great view, and then an upper deck where you can control the boat, but I'm not allowed up there. It looks like some glass broke or something, so it's a little bit of a mess. So when you first enter the boat on this main floor, there's some controls here, which I guess is where the main controls are. This boat doesn't go anywhere, it stays in the marina. And then the lower floor is where the kitchen is, and the living area, and sort of all the places where you're more comfortable. It actually has 2 beds. The one on the lower floor is the one I'm sleeping on. It's a table that converts into a bed. And then this area where I'm at right here on this middle deck is another bed. So I've been having a real easy morning, and now I'm thinking I should go in the water because it's the warmest part of the day. The sun is shining bright, but the water is chilly. I've stuck my feet in. The water is really chilly, so it's a little unnerving, but I have to do it, right? Okay, it's cold. It's pretty freaking cold. Oh my god, that's the coldest water I swam in all year, so I hope it really is good for the immune system because that was quite chilly. Ah! Well, that dip was a total fail because not only was it so freezing, I also cut my knees, I think, on the stairs on the way in and out just because I wasn't paying attention, and I should have just jumped in, but I was afraid to jump in, so I hope I don't get tetanus just from that. They have some toys in the boat, and I definitely grabbed this one. So I'm doing something a little creative for lunch. Since I have so much turkey bacon and I have to eat it all before I leave because I don't want to carry it with me, I'm making turkey bacon wrapped zucchini in this toaster oven. And I'm putting a little oil so that it doesn't, you know, stick, but I'm afraid I'm going to set the toaster oven on fire. I mean, turkey bacon's a little dry compared to pig real bacon, so this could be disastrous, but... And here it is. Well, it smells really good, but the question is, how do it taste? Let me try this one. Ooh. Mmm. It's good. I like it. The zucchini does, you know, absorb the flavor of the turkey bacon, even though it's not as greasy as real bacon, so good. I've never seen swans this close up before in my life. They're just coming up to the boat. This is amazing. Hi! You must think I have food. I don't have food. You'd think they'd be afraid of me, but they're not. They just keep getting closer. Every time I move, they move. Hi, guys. Hey. They think I have food. I don't have food. Oh, you're so beautiful. So cute. So the sun is starting to go down and I'm gonna start working on dinner. I'm gonna do a poor man's bangers and mash. My bangers are gonna be Vienna sausages cooked in this breakfast station toaster oven. I'm gonna also cook some zucchini to be healthy in the toaster oven. And I'm also going to make this instant mashed potatoes that you just add boiling water to. Super simple. I've had it for a while because I'm like, I'm gonna go backpacking one day. So, see how it goes. I'm enjoying the sunset with my dinner. Let's see how it tastes. Potatoes are good, garlic potatoes. Zucchini is good. And the Vienna sausages are salty, but I like them. I took a shower. It was so nice to wash off the film of the marina water. And the shower in the bathroom, it gets pretty warm, so it was like a real relief. Now I made some relaxing tea, and with these little fairy lights, it's so nice to have my tea. Can you hear that? The airplane from JFK, I love that. I used to live next to an airport growing up, and I'd hear airplanes taking off all the time and wish I were on them. Who knew that in 2020 I would be next to an airport wishing I was on an airplane. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm planning a lot more socially distant content, so if you like this, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!